Right now, the sun could vanish. And you wouldn't know. Not for a while. Because light doesn't arrive instantly. Light takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach your eyes. So if the sun disappeared this second, you'd still see it. Still feel its warmth on your skin. Birds would keep singing. The sky would stay blue. For 8 more minutes, you'd be living in a memory of a star that no longer exists. Gravity works the same way. It travels at that same speed. So Earth wouldn't drift away immediately either. It would keep circling an empty point in space, orbiting a ghost for those same 8 minutes. The strangest part isn't that the sun could disappear. It's that for a little while, nothing would prove it. Then, the 8 minutes run out, and everything changes at once. The sky goes dark. Not sunset dark. Absolute dark. Only starlight left. At the same moment, Earth stops curving around the sun. There's no gravity left to bend its path. It flies straight into open space. The only path physics allows now. No more seasons. No more years. Just a rock moving forward forever into the dark. Somewhere, a bird stops mid-song. It has no idea why the light disappeared. It only knows that it did. Without sunlight, the temperature doesn't fall gradually. Every second, Earth radiates heat into space that sunlight would normally replace. Now, nothing does. During a total solar eclipse, just minutes without the sun, temperatures already drop several degrees. Imagine that eclipse never ending. Within 24 hours, most places on Earth already feel like the dead of winter. The oceans still hold their warmth. They always do. But the air above the land is losing heat faster than it can hold on to it. And this is only hour one of a process that won't stop. Plants don't know the sun is gone. They only know they can't make food anymore. Photosynthesis stops within hours. Most plants survive a few days on stored energy. Then they start to die. And when plants die, everything that eats them starts running out of time too. Herbivores. Then the animals that eat herbivores. An entire food chain collapsing from the bottom up. Meanwhile, the water cycle is breaking down. Rain depends on the sun evaporating water. With no sun, it stops. Rivers keep flowing for now, but the system feeding them is already gone. If plants are dying and the sky won't rain anymore, how long before the air itself starts to change? Within a week, surface temperatures fall below 0 Fahrenheit, minus 18 degrees Celsius. Snow falls even in places that have never seen it. Picture flying over the Pacific. A sheet of ice, thousands of kilometers wide, slowly swallowing the open ocean. But the water below is still fighting back. It holds heat far longer than air or land. That thin layer of ice becomes a blanket, slowing the heat loss beneath. Deep below the surface, the ocean could stay liquid for a very long time. Longer than anyone standing on land will be around to see. On the surface, though, the cold keeps advancing. house by house, city by city. There's no sunrise coming to stop it. Give it a year, and the surface of the Earth reaches nearly minus 73 degrees Celsius, minus 100 Fahrenheit, colder than almost anywhere humans have ever recorded. Picture it. Cities standing empty under permanent starlight. Forests turned to brittle silver, frozen down to the root. Cars frozen mid-street, exactly where they stopped. Nothing moving, nothing melting, nothing left to wait for. The atmosphere itself starts to change. Given enough cold, gases that once floated freely begin to freeze and settle like snow. Most surface life is gone by now. But not all life. Deep in the ocean, near cracks in the seafloor, there's a kind of life that never needed the sun at all. It survives on chemicals rising from inside the Earth itself. It has been down there since long before humans existed. And it would still be there, long after we're gone. So, what happens if the sun disappears? Darkness, cold, collapse. All of it, eventually. But the more interesting question isn't what ends. It's what doesn't. Somewhere in the deep ocean, life that never depended on sunlight keeps going, unaffected. We think of the sun as the thing that makes life possible. And for almost everything we know, it is. But a few forms of life never relied on it. They were just waiting for a world that didn't need a sun at all. The sun isn't just a light in the sky. It's the reason nearly every clock on Earth is still ticking. We spend our whole lives worrying about tomorrow. But tomorrow only exists because one star keeps rising every single morning. Take that away, and you find out how much of life was never truly yours to keep. It was only ever borrowed light.